Hi guys, welcome to my channel Luiza's Kitchen. Today I want to make easy snacks, and for the snacks we need the tomatoes, mayonnaise, cheese. I have shredded Swiss cheese. Will be just for decoration, the cabbage leaves, and I have here garlic. First we're gonna cut the tomatoes. Now we're gonna take mayonnaise. I'm taking for now 4 tablespoons like that. Gonna put garlic there. With our cheese. Mix. You can eat like that, or you can make some decoration with green onions. You saw guys how it's easy to make, very quick and easy, and it's really nice tasty these snacks for the table, and you have to try guys, it's really tasty. So you can see how it comes up all beautiful. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like this video, you can put thumbs up, and we will see you again. Have a nice day guys, and bye bye.